Hey there, money savers! If you want to make your bank account a little heavier and your stress a whole lot lighter, click the link in the description below for a special Rocket Money offer just for you. Now, let's talk about how to actually use Rocket Money, the app that's about to become your new financial best mate. Alright, so imagine your finances are a messy kitchen, subscriptions everywhere, random bills, and you're not even sure who ate the last biscuit. Rocket Money is like that mate who comes round, tidies up, and tells you exactly where you're wasting cash. First things first, download the Rocket Money app. It's super quick, and by the time your kettle's boiled, you'll be ready to go. Sign up, link your bank accounts and cards, and don't worry, it's all encrypted and secure. I double-checked because honestly, I'm not letting just anyone peek at my takeaway habits. Once you're in, Rocket Money does a scan of your spending. It'll spot any subscriptions you've forgotten, like that random streaming service you signed up for after 2 glasses of wine last year. You can cancel what you don't want right from the app. No awkward phone calls, no, "Are you sure you want to leave us?" Guilt trips. Just one tap and it's gone. But wait, there's more. Rocket Money will also track your bills and alert you if something's gone up. So if your phone company tries to sneak in an extra charge, you'll know before they've even sent that confusing bill. Plus, you can set budgets. Want to spend less on takeaway? Rocket Money will remind you when you're dangerously close to ordering that 5th curry this month. And if you want to get really fancy, there's a savings feature. Set a goal, say a holiday to Blackpool, or just enough for a takeaway splurge, and Rocket Money will help you stash away a bit here and there. So, if you're ready to take charge of your cash, smash the link in the description for your special Rocket Money deal. Trust me, your future self and your wallet will thank you. Cheers for watching, and here's to smarter spending.